一个这个，
对，一个这个，然后来
大的，他要薯条大的。
大的条，
对，
这样，这个
为什么这个买一送一吗？
不是一加一的，1+150块，
这里跟这里这样吗？
是这个跟这里一样。
哦，but 还有加钱吗？还有加钱吗？
这个跟这个加起来50块。
哦，总共50块。
对。
Why do you want this?
Why? I don't.
Here and here, 50.
Yeah, I know, but I want big.
这个，哇，
Yeah, only like this. But I want this
But
one.
this free only, ah? You can bring home, ah? Okay.
Ay, 这个吗？
哦，
有那个
这个一样可以吗？奶茶吗？
没有，
有 corn soup 吗？没有。corn soup 什么？
那个一米糖，
没有，
没有。这个什么？
那个红茶吗？
有，
啊，要吗？有，啊有。
这个是这个，
这里吃。
那一是
Okay, you first. Sure. Happy meal. Not you want to eat this chicken? 哎，我还要。哎，也是的。我要一个薯条大的。
好，
还有这个。
好，
这样就可以了。这样还有饮料吗？
要配个饮料，
这个什么？
热红茶，
红茶。奶茶。
红茶，
没有奶茶。
没有，
有甜吗？可以加糖吗？没有。
没有糖，可以加糖。
哦，还是有别的饮料。
对，
就有茶而已，没有别的饮料。我说那个柠檬茶还是什么？有。那个我要 Sprite 了，有吗？谢谢。哦，这个有吗？
隔壁。有。
OK， 那一个就好了。
这样。
哦。McDonald。
我会看这个明星。
Let's eat. Let's eat.
I'm to drink.
Just free only, ah. Hi guys. Hari ini aku sama Sari Joy, temanku dari Filipina. Kita lagi berada di McDonald. Makan malam. Hari ini kita liburnya juga sama. Dinner time. You want? It's okay. You want? Sure? How to put? How to put?
There's a lot of views there,
Huh?
in TikTok.
No,
18 siya.
10.
It's nice somebody.
I know they want to sit here, but have something there.
Yeah.
Let they go upstairs.
What's that? Put there. It's okay this disposable.
Dirty.
No. Everywhere they
You can
put
put
them.
here now.
No, every day, every changes lang. Every time you put them. Bleaching siya.
I know. But this paper. Use here now.
Dito. Tsaka sama. Sige.
This one? Beef. What's so small?
It's cost mura. Only. Only sama. 50 ma. 60?
I don't know. 69?
60.
69. You know this is small, but inside you know. Have cow, cheese, different yours.
Chicken. I want chicken only.
Okay.
Beef is too hard to digest in night. That's why I don't like beef.
Why?
It's hard to digest.
You dislike or don't want to eat?
I eat beef but not too really.
Not really? How to say it?
Like I eat beef but it's not my favorite. Like that.
Me too.
Because sometimes there's beef is you nagayo amoy
Amoy? What's that?
you smell some beef you smell
Kambing is more smell, you know.
I never eat kambing for I
Ay.
never been eat. I think mabaho
Shrimp? Shrimp you eat?
I eat shrimp.
Yeah.
Kambing, nagkakambing mo mayo kanin. But my brother,
Kambing? Never or ever you eat?
I
Kambing?
tried once but it's too small. I never finished. I don't like smell. I don't like the taste.
In your life, only one time you try?
Yeah,
Why?
I don't know. I never
Your
interested.
reason only
Smell.
smell?
Yeah,
Smell?
yeah. If I smell not good, I will never eat it.
Then taste?
Yeah, I never. I taste only like that, like one cut. I never finish because it's the smell and the taste I don't like.
Do not
But iyang durian, who first smell I never
Oh, let's
eat.
go. We buy.
No,
durian.
ni buy ma.
Let's go.
You can buy, but I don't like it.
I know you dislike, but
No.
I show you. You smell.
Tsaka say, sino?
I see Sari Joy, my friend from Philippines.
Say na.
Everybody can come here, see your face. No, we enjoy for one day only, for this night only.
Yeah, because later you sleep and
No time.
no time no more. Durian, it's not expensive in Indonesia. No, not too expensive like this. Like here, no.
Not too expensive. More,
But you can buy everywhere.
but it's so expensive.
Yeah. Iyang Philippine mayo expensive.
But different, huh?
Different taste. What?
Many kind.
Yeah.
Have small,
Yeah. Well, I know.
have big.
They're in
The
Philippines.
different taste.
They're in the Philippine place. One of the so lot of durian that place in Philippines. They're so mura.
Same, huh?
But I never tried to eat.
You try, huh? One time.
No, I don't
You
like.
want?
No.
Let you try.
Ayun na.
Diba?
Ayun.
One time to your life. Try one time.
I think the smell will be...
I want to know your reaction. Huh?
Oh.
You do.
I already smell. I don't like it. Dito ma, one time, my brother bought one.
Mm.
I thought what the smell. Then she opened it. He opened it. Then my father tried. They eat but not too much because we did not eat every time. I buy every time, not like unlike the other fruit we can eat every time. In my place, not it's only few you can buy that. But the other place in Philippines you can buy anywhere. But in my place, not anywhere you can buy now. Only in market like that. I tried once, see in my house, but not good smell eh. It's so bad. Babaho eh.
You can eat now with like this, huh?
I don't like. I never tried.
Because your reason is the smell only.
Yeah.
Huh? Smell only, huh? But the taste okay, huh? Very nice, huh?
I never tried because the smell. I'm like that person.
Me too. Before it don't like the smell. Then every day,
No.
I get to smell durian.
It's still the same. Still the same in my mouth.
You know durian is very expensive, eh? Why you don't like?
I rather eat some other food. But durian, I don't know. I can eat it. Yung Taika in Erlo. They always smell the durian. Erlo.
Are you okay?
Susar.
But you okay?
Okay sama.
You eat?
I don't know eh.
Not for
Touch it out ni go home lang.
yeah.
Touch it out.
Of course.
Because I mean the date, the time, like that.
You know.
You know, iyang ni the baby.
Yeah. Only
I
two
thought
person.
I thought they will surprise you. You will need to.
Impossible.
Well,
Because
I-
only two person, huh?
I always go home. My mother would never see. She
Why
never
you
know.
like that?
I go, hey, what are you here?
Because you very easy and nearby to airport, huh?
I think 1 hour like that.
We need 5 hours, huh?
My sister know. My sister know because my sister and my mother each with
I know you
Susa.
give surprise for your mother, huh?
Always like that when they go home, she tell me you titawa. Even
Good
before,
Good
even
job.
my father is alive before.
Oh.
They never know. They never. I go home 12 o'clock like that in night. But we need to rent car to go home because
Only car?
no, from here I need to take plane. Then
Then who
from
pick up you?
my,
You alone?
no,
Your
with my
sister?
sister. Yeah.
One person only?
She with his baby, with her baby.
But very fast, huh? Only 1 hour only, huh?
But
We need to 5 hours,
very
something. 4 or 5 hours.
no. In my place in Philippines, we have two 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 airport there. We in the middle. We can choose where you want to. But only small Sagasamo airport, not too big.
Small airport?
Yeah. But only
New?
yeah,
New?
not new. It's because nichitaw naga Boracay ma. Boracay. Napin umin each naga mayo hawi na.
You nearby Boracay?
Yeah, only 1 hour you can go there.
City?
No, it's not to see. In my province,
Province?
yeah, where we live, not too far there. In my home province, they only 40. We take only 45 minutes to go there.
He come here to watch with two person to talking. That it's
See. Two person.
just now. Just now he went to call me.
Your husband. Stop watching. Why
You know,
he asked
you know, you know. I'm not answer his telephone.
That's why. Yung naga-Bali Naga-famous place.
Indonesia,
Mm-mm.
you want to go? I bring you to go.
You're not to... You're there? I mean, near? No.
I'm going one time.
How many hours you can go there? From your house?
Transportation not easy.
Saan naman?
Yeah, we need maybe one day, one night.
It's so...
We need to cross use ship by